In this question, we are given five statements relating to local maximum, local minimum, as well as absolute to extrema and the critical points. And we have to choose the statements whichever is true. So let's look at each statement one by one. The first statement we have, if f has a local maximum or local minimum at c, then f prime of c equals 0. This must be true because whenever we say that f has a local maximum or local minimum, the first derivative at c should be 0. So we say that this statement is true. The statement is true. Now let's look at the next statement. That is, the absolute extrema of f must occur at the critical points of f. This is not always true. Maybe sometimes this is true, but the absolute extrema of f, they can occur at the endpoints of the function as well. So this is not always true. So we can just ignore this. Now let's move on to the next statement. If f prime of c is undefined, then c is a critical point of f. Yes, this is true because we say that c is a critical point of f whenever the first derivative is 0 or it's undefined. So we say that this statement is also true. Now let's move to the next statement. If f prime of c equals 0, then f has a local maximum or a local minimum at c. And this is true because whenever the first derivative is 0, then it confirms that f has a local maximum or local minimum at the point c. So we see that this statement is also true. Now let's move to the next statement. If c is a critical point of f, then f has a local maximum or local minimum at c. Yes, clearly if c is a critical point of f, then f has a local maximum or local minimum at c. And so this statement is also true.